The boy rides a bicycle. The boy rides a bicycle. I see a squirrel on the tree. I see a squirrel on the tree. She brushes her teeth daily. She brushes her teeth daily. The flower smells nice. The flower smells nice. The hen lays eggs. The hen lays eggs. The bell rings loudly. The bell rings loudly. I jump on the trampoline. I jump on the trampoline. The zebra has black and white stripes. The zebra has black and white stripes. The ants carry food. The ants carry food. I draw a house with crayons. I draw a house with crayons. I draw a house with crayons. The mango is yellow and juicy. The chef cooks tasty food. The chef cooks tasty food. The duck quacks in the water. The duck quacks in the water. I sleep in my cozy bed. I sleep in my cozy bed. I like to sing. I like to sing. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. The dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. I play with my sister. I play with my sister. The ball is bouncing. The ball is bouncing. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. The tree gives us shade. The tree gives us shade. The milk is warm. The milk is warm. The cat is drinking milk. The cat is drinking milk.